Hey everybody, this is Josh Haley at Brinkley RV, and today we have a floor plan debut video for you. But it's not just one floor plan, it's two. We're talking about our 4150 front office and our 4155 front bunk. Now, these are gonna be the exact same floor plans all the way up until the front end, but we're gonna show them both to you today. First thing you're going to notice about the outside of the 4150 and 4155 is the massive pass-through storage on it. This is the biggest pass-through storage I've ever seen on a toy hauler, maybe even an RV period. But for all you kayakers and paddleboarders out there, you can fit a 12-foot kayak or paddleboard in this thing. Starting right here, you're gonna have your Rockford 5-gate sound system. That's a great system that includes a subwoofer outside and a subwoofer inside. You're gonna have your hot and cold shower. We have one of those on both sides of the coach. You have your Firefly Bluetooth light switches, so you can control a lot of your lights on the outside. And then your slide switches right here. And then down below with all that, you're gonna have your standard on all Model Gs, your Everchill refrigerator drawer freezer. You can set it either way, and this will hold up to a whole case of pop. In your front pass-through door, you're gonna have a couple things that you're gonna recognize that are standard on Model G. One is your slide-out tray. Again, we have 3 of these on every single Model G. One on the door side, one on the off-door side, and then a second one on the off-door side that holds some of your ladders and stuff like that, but we'll go over that later. The one thing that is brand new that I've never seen before is we had all this extra space in the front and we didn't want to just waste it. So we came up with some in-floor storage. So this hatch actually pops up right here and you have a ton more storage in here and you can access it from both sides. The trays pop up on both sides. Nobody's ever said there's too much storage in an RV. We want to make sure you have space for everything you want to bring with you on your camping trip. From the top bulkhead storage compartment area, you can see just how big this pass-through storage is. Again, you can fit a 12-foot kayak in here. Some of the other things that this houses is your Victron Multi Plus 2, and this is also your inverter. Again, there are 800 watts of solar on this unit, and this is going to control all that. You have your DC to DC charger for your truck, your MPPT controller, your Victron Servo GX, which is your brains or your communication system between Victron and the Firefly, your battery disconnect, your solar disconnect, and a bunch of lighting up here so you can see all the stuff you got stored up in this area. Down here at the bottom compartment for your bulkhead storage, you're gonna have all your OptiFuses for the entire coach located. You're gonna have your 200 amp hour lithium battery. You're gonna have your hydraulic pump. Now this is gonna control not only your landing gear, but your main slides on this coach as well. And then you're gonna have your disc brake actuator. Again, for 2026, disc brakes are standard on all Model Gs. On the other side, you have your generator. This is an RVMP Flex Power 5500 watt generator. It'll run everything in this coach. It is dual fuel. It'll run off of gasoline or propane. And again, we have two 30-gallon gasoline tanks on this, 30 gallons for the fuel pump, 30 gallons for the generator as well. The other thing we like about it is that you can start it 4 different ways. You can start it from the app on your phone with Firefly. You can start it from the touchscreen on Firefly. You can start it as a push button on the front of the generator, and it also has an emergency pull start. Up here at the front cap area, I'm going to point out a couple different things. Number one, Gen Y hitch. Your Gen Y hitch comes standard with all Model Gs. Now, you do have an option to do your regular kingpin or a gooseneck, straight from us from the factory, and no, it does not void your warranty on your frame. The other thing I want to point out is our front cap. It has integrated RGBW lights that you can control through the Firefly system. It also has lens covers to cover up those lights to help protect them. And there's also integrated turn signals while you're going down the road. Here on the off-door side of the coach, you're going to see our LP compartments. We're going to give you 2 30-pound bottles. There's going to be one on each side of the coach. Now, 40-pound bottles do fit. The one thing I love about Brinkley is we include an LP IQ gauge on each tank, and it's going to show you about how much LP you have, so you don't have to play the guessing game all the time. Over here, you're going to have your off-door side main baggage door with your sliding tray under it. And then a little bit farther back, you have your secondary sliding tray. In here, we're going to keep your exterior ladder and the steps for your patio system out the back. You have your electric power cord reel. Again, that's for storage only. And then you're going to have your knotless panel. And on your knotless panel, you're going to be able to control all your water systems. You're going to be able to switch between city water and using the camp water or using the water from your holding tanks. You're going to have all your electronic tank dump valves that are going to be up here. You're going to have some outlets. You're going to have your Starlink prep system here as well. And then also, one of my favorite things, again, this is a Brinkley thing that we do on everything. You're going to have your 65-foot freshwater hose reel. Here on the back side of the coach, we're on the off-door side, you're going to have your air compressor. It's 135 PSI, and it also includes a 45-foot air hose on a reel. Behind that, you're going to have your 2 fuel tanks, a 30-gallon for your generator, that's the front tank, and the rear tank is going to be 30-gallon for your fuel pump as well. Coming back around on the door side of the coach, one of the things you're going to notice is our 50-foot extension cord on every Model G. Now this is standard, located behind this locked door, but if you want to set up a table out front of your campsite and have a blender for a margarita machine or an extra TV or something like that, this is a great place to plug it in, and you don't have to bring an extra extension cord with you. Here we have our garage entry. On that garage entry, we have the MORryde safety rail here. It's a nice extended grab handle, you know, for little kids or elderly people. It gives them a nice secure place to hang on to when they're going up the steps. And then you have your MORryde flip down steps. Now the great thing about this is it flips up in your coach. It's sitting on the ground. It's nice and stable. And those treads flip up so you're not tracking all that dirt into your coach when you flip them up to close the door for travel mode. The 4150 and 4155 are going to use your standard Model G running gear. You're going to have your 17.5-inch custom wheels. You're going to have your H-range tires wrapped around those. Now these are Uniroyal and they're made by Michelin. You're going to have 7K axles. You're going to have disc brakes. Yes, everything we build with Model G has disc brakes standard. You're going to have your Dexter Easy Flex suspension. You're going to have Sumo springs. Now, if you want to upgrade to our optional MORryde IS, that's going to give you independent suspension with 6 inches of independent travel for each wheel, and it's also going to be an 8K axle system. Here at the main entrance door, you're going to have those same MORryde flip down steps that we talked about earlier, the same MORryde extended grab handle. Also, the main entry door is going to have your RV lock system on it. Now, there's 2 different things about this. A, you can use the numbers as like a code to unlock your front door, or B, you can use the key fob like you have on your car. Opening it up, you're going to see a couple other features. Your pet screen defender, this is so your pets aren't going to scratch at your screen door from the inside and tear up that screen. You're going to see the slap shot and the screen assist. The slap shot automatically closes that screen door, and the screen assist just gives you a longer lever to be able to do it. And then you're going to see your window on your main entry door also has a shade to it as well. Now that we've seen the outside of a 4150 or 4155, let's go take a look at the inside. Here in the kitchen of the 4150 and 4155, you're going to have your pull-down silverware drawer. You're going to have adjustable shelves in your kitchen cabinets. Again, you can put taller boxes in there or wine bottles, whatever you're bringing with you. You have your pull-down knife block. One thing I always like to point out to customers is our drawer boxes. You pull out the drawer, you feel on the inside, it's nice, it's smooth, it's sanded. We have dovetail construction on here. I mean, this is a residential drawer box in all Model G kitchens. Coming around here, you're gonna have your 30-inch microwave convection oven. This also does have an air fryer feature in it. And then you're gonna have this 4-burner range. It is a gas range. It's nice to have that extra burner. You know, most RVs only come with 3. We're gonna give you 4. Then you have this gigantic oven down here. This is a GE profile oven. I like to flip it down. You could fit a whole Costco bag of pizza rolls in here. Believe me, I've tried. Now your island on your 4150 and 4155 is gonna have all your favorite features from Model G. It's gonna have a paper towel holder. It's going to have a pull-out cutting board, and it's going to have your pull-out trash cans as well. Right next to your residential GE refrigerator, again, this does have a water spout in it, it does have an ice maker in it, and it has a heated water line outside. You're gonna have your pull-out pantry. It's on a foot latch, it's gonna pull out, it's got adjustable shelves in it, it does have some drawers in it. Again, this is a great spot to put all your food while you're traveling down the road. Next to your refrigerator, you're gonna have your Model G Dinesk. Now this thing is super adjustable. It can slide all the way to one side and then pull out to make a giant L-shaped desk, or you can set it in the middle, pull it all the way out, and you could have seating for 4 adults for dinner. In your living room, you're gonna have your nice L-shaped sofa. It's got 4 recliners on it. They do have heat and massage on the ends and USB outlets. And then this is gonna be sitting in front of your massive 65-inch TV. Again, smart TV, 4K. Under that, you're gonna have your fireplace. That's great for ambiance, but it does put out 5,000 BTUs of heat. And then above and below, you're gonna have storage. Again, you're gonna bring a lot of stuff with you. You gotta have places to put it. So we wanted to use every square inch of the entire entertainment center so you can put all your stuff in there. The 4150 and 4155 have an 11-foot garage, but it's gonna have all your favorite features from your other Model Gs. You're gonna have a smart TV back here. You're gonna have your Rockford Fosgate control. You're gonna have the washer dryer prep. Now on the 4150 and 4155, this is your only washer dryer prep, and we'll show you why here in a little bit. You're gonna have a prep for your Furrion camera, your collapsible max space half bath, your Happy Jack beds that are gonna come up and down. You're gonna have a bunk bed on top, and then you're gonna have the sofas on the bottom, but they do both make queen beds. You're gonna have your loft twin bed, and in the floor, you're gonna have your VersaTrack system, and we give you movable tie down so you can tie down your cargo however you'd like down here. And then you have your dovetail storage box, which is where we store all the ladders for your loft and your bunks. Here we are out on the patio. Now this is a 100-inch ramp door, which is longer than most of the competition on a toy hauler. We have your MoreRide patio railing system set up here. We have your 3 seasons doors. We have a nice cassette awning that's gonna come out over the top of here and give you some shade. And then we also have some speakers out here so you can have some ultimate entertainment. Now normally on our Model G floor plan walkthrough videos, we do the patio last. But because the front end is gonna be the only thing different about these 2 floor plans, we're doing this one a little bit differently. Here, you're gonna have your standard Model G bathroom. That's the one we've used for both of these floor plans. You're gonna have your 1-piece fiberglass shower with glass shower doors. You're gonna have your pull-out linen closet. You're gonna have a pull-out trash can. You're also gonna have a nice big vanity top with lots of countertop space and drawers for storage. Up here in the bedroom, you're gonna have a king-size bed standard. Now, yes, a queen is optional. You're gonna have reading lights on both sides, USB outlets on both sides, and 110 outlets on both sides. There is also motion sensor lighting for both sides of the bed, so if you wake up in the middle of the night, gotta go to the bathroom, you're not gonna wake up your partner. Underneath the bed, you have 4 drawers for extra storage. You also have a big bulk area storage for extra blankets and pillows. Up here, you're gonna have your wardrobe with lighted closet rod, and then you have your mirrored doors on that as well. And then you have your dresser right here. And now again, your dresser top is going to slide out and you're gonna have that hidden storage underneath it. And then you have your smart TV up here as well. Now, the other thing I want to point out, and I always like to point it out when I'm in the bedroom, is our GE profile air conditioners. Like all Model Gs, you're gonna have 3 of those on this unit. They all 3 can run at the same time, and they all 3 also have heat pumps on them as well. And now the moment you all been waiting for. This is the front office floor plan of the 4150. So your office on your 4150 is going to include a stand-up desk that is adjustable up and down. You're also going to have windows on both sides of the office, which is great. If you want to open them up, you get some nice cross ventilation in here. You're going to have some upper storage, some side storage, and that's kind of going to give you the credenza feel up here. You're going to have a nice little bookshelf up here for picture frames or knickknacks or books, whatever you want to keep up here. Then you're gonna have some hidden storage under this area of the desk. So if you have anything that's valuable or something maybe you don't access as much, you can keep that stored under here. And then you have storage on both sides. These cabinets are great for trash cans. These top drawers here both have pencil holders in them, and they got drawer guides so you can adjust them back and forth. And then your bottom drawers down here are ready for all your hanging file folders. So you got any secure documents or files that you need to hang up in those dividers in the manila envelopes, these are ready for that. And now we're going to show you the front bunkhouse of the 4155. And now we've transported ourselves into the bunk room of the 4155. Now again, remember, the 4155 and the 4150 are the exact same floor plans except for this front area up here. This has dual bunks. Now these are single bunks. Underneath this bottom bunk here, you can lift it up. There's a lot of storage under there. On both ends, we got some cubbies. There's outlets up there. There's USB up there. There's lots of lighting that the kids can individually control while they're up here. We have some storage with some hanging space and some actual drawers underneath here. Now, a lot of people ask about the size of these bunks. Well, I'll tell you, I'm a large human. I'm 6'4", and I'm north of 250 pounds, but I'm gonna climb up here and I'm gonna show you the top bunk, which has the least amount of space because of this wall raking back, and so you can see just how much room I have to navigate up here. And as you can see, there's plenty of room for me to stay up here, take a little nap. Thanks for joining me and checking out the 4150 and 4155. Now, if you want more information on Brinkley or Model G, visit your local dealer or BrinkleyRV.com.